How to add a new column to an existing data frame. I have the following index data frame with named columns and rows, not continuous numbers. I would like to add a new column, E, to the existing data frame and do not want to change anything in the data frame, i.e., the new column always has the same length as the data frame. How can I add column E to the above example?
Edit 2017. As indicated in the comments and by Alexander, currently the best method to add the values of a series as a new column of a data frame could be using assign. Edit 2015. Some reported getting the setting with copy warning with this code. However, the code still runs perfectly with the current pandas version 0.16.1. The setting with copy warning aims to inform of a possibly invalid assignment on a copy of the data frame. It doesn't necessarily say you did it wrong, it can trigger false positives, but from 0.13.0 it let you know there are more adequate methods for the same purpose. Then, if you get the warning, just follow its advice, try using .lock, row_index, col_indexer, equals value instead. In fact, this is currently the more efficient method as described in pandas docs. Original answer. Use the original df1 indexes to create the series.
This is the simple way of adding a new column, df e equals e.
I would like to add a new column E to the existing data frame and do not change anything in the data frame. The series always got the same length as a data frame. I assume that the index values in E match those in df1. The easiest way to initiate a new column named E, and assign it the values from your series E.
Assigne, pandas 0.16.0+.
As of pandas 0.16.0, you can also use assign, which assigns new columns to a data frame and returns a new object, a copy, with all the original columns in addition to the new ones. As per this example, which also includes the source code of the assign function, you can also include more than one column. In context with your example. The description of this new feature when it was first introduced can be found here.
It seems that in recent pandas versions the way to go is to use df.assign. It doesn't produce setting with copy warning.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.